Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 4. Pull the cover down evenly at the sides, back and front. Step 5. Locate the tuck-in pouch. Step 6. Tuck the tuck-in pouch into the gap between the seat backrest and base. Step 7. Pull the bottom cover over the seat base. Step 8. At the sides of the seat, tuck the cover material into on the side of the seat to hold the cover in place. Step 9. At the front of the seat base, locate the Velcro strap. Loop the strap around the pole under the seat and attach it back onto itself. Step 10. On the inside corner of the base, attach the Velcro strap around the seatbelt buckle tightly and push it down. Step 11. Reattach the seat's headrest and fit the headrest cover to the seat like putting on a hat. This is a little tight to pull down. Step 12. Place the front of the central armrest cover to the armrest. Step 13. Pull the cover back and fold it round the back of the armrest's corners. Step 14. Lift the armrest up and attach the Velcro straps together.